there is no amount of money I will give you that will be enough. Well, all I'm going to do is to share ideas drawn from experiences of things I've been through to arm you for your future. Teach you some skills so as you can learn and live your dreams. I'm Mentor Chris, the proprietor of Mentor Chris Academy and an online business consultant. Over the years, I've been invited to train youths in schools, churches, and sometimes by NGOs, where I assisted youths learn some skills to help take them off the streets. Welcome to Mentor Chris Academy official YouTube channel. On the channel, I teach, entertain, educate, and inform you on how to monetize your knowledge using various social media apps. Expect videos of my teachings and trainings of ministers of the gospel on various 21st century skills, financial intelligence, and how you can mentor and develop people around you. Most importantly, expect videos of my teachings on what teachers do not teach you at school. You will learn how to make money directly from various social media apps, monetize your skills, and make residual incomes. You will also learn how to make money from public speaking. And for those that want to learn how to design and install 3D epoxy floor and wallpapers, this channel is for you. You will learn how to install solar panels, design and construct power banks, and also design and construct inverters using locally available materials. Most importantly, you will also learn how to survive in the third world countries. I'm here to help and guide you. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications. Don't miss my videos every Wednesdays 6 a.m. and Saturdays 6 p.m. every week.